Welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel where we delve into the beauty world to uncover the latest skincare sensations. Today we're unraveling the mystery behind the hype surrounding the Beverly Hills MD Dark Spot Corrector. Let's explore why this product is creating waves in the skincare industry. The Beverly Hills MD Dark Spot Corrector is a revolutionary formula designed to combat dark spots using advanced color correctors and light scattering optics for a radiant, youthful appearance. By utilizing potent natural ingredients such as cacao plum, yeast extract, and vitamin B3, this spot corrector targets various types of dark spots, including acne marks, sunspots, and dark circles, visibly improving skin clarity and youthfulness. Ingredients: cacao plum, yeast extract, vitamin B3. Pros: effectively lightens scars and dark spots, enhances skin glow and health, addresses hyperpigmentation. Cons: may cause slight itching or redness for some individuals. Higher price point may be a consideration for some. How to apply: conduct a patch test to check for any allergic reactions. Following a successful test, apply the corrector on dry, problem areas of the face, especially under the eyes and dark spot affected regions. In conclusion, the Beverly Hills MD Dark Spot Corrector stands out as a promising solution for those seeking to diminish dark spots and rejuvenate their skin. With its powerful blend of natural ingredients and proven efficacy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time,